Welcome back to Part 2 of the Microsoft AI Transformation Leader Exam Prep Series. In Part 1, we covered AI transformation concepts. Now we're diving deeper into stakeholder management, budgeting, scaling, and advanced leadership strategies. If you missed Part 1, watch that first, link in the description. Let's jump into questions 21 through 40. Question 21. How should an AI transformation leader approach stakeholder management? A. Ignore stakeholder concerns and push forward. B. Involve key stakeholders early. Communicate regularly. Address concerns. C. Only communicate with the C-suite. D. Make decisions without stakeholder input. Correct answer: B. Involve stakeholders early. Communicate. Address concerns. Explanation. Stakeholder management approach. Identify all key stakeholders early. Communicate vision and benefits. Listen to concerns seriously. Address roadblocks proactively. Build coalitions of support. Regular updates prevent surprises. Addresses concerns before they become resistance. Tested heavily in AB-731 leadership. Question 22. What is the primary purpose of running AI pilot projects? A. To prove that AI works in general. B. To test specific solutions, learn quickly, validate business case, and build momentum. C. To keep the organization busy with AI. D. To delay larger transformation initiative. Correct answer: B. Test solutions. Learn, validate business case, build momentum. Explanation. Purpose of pilot projects. Test assumptions in real environment. Validate business case and ROI. Learn what works and what doesn't. Build organizational confidence. Prove value to skeptics. Generate early wins. Create momentum for larger initiatives. AB-731 tests understanding of pilot strategy. Question 23. When scaling AI initiatives across departments, what is the most common pitfall? A. Moving too slowly. B. Ignoring lessons from pilots and not adapting approach per department. C. Using the exact same AI solution everywhere. D. Involving too many stakeholders. Correct answer: B. Ignoring lessons and not adapting per department. Explanation. Scaling AI initiatives. One size doesn't fit all. Different departments have different needs. Learn from pilots what worked and what didn't. Adapt approach for each department. Customize solutions to local context. Maintain standards but allow flexibility. Common mistake: scaling too rigidly. Leadership must oversee scaling strategy. Question 24. How should organizations handle budget allocation for AI transformation? A. Give all budget to one department. B. Allocate based on business priorities, pilot ROI, and scaling plans. C. Minimize AI budget to avoid risk. D. Spend on technology only, not people. Correct answer: B. Allocate based on priorities, ROI, scaling plans. Explanation. AI budget allocation. Align budget with business priorities. Fund successful pilots. Support scaling of proven solutions. Invest in people and training. Keep contingency for learning. Track and adjust based on ROI. Smart allocation accelerates transformation. Leaders must defend and manage budgets. Question 25. What is the relationship between AI transformation and digital transformation? A. They are completely separate initiatives. AI is one component of broader digital transformation strategy. C. AI transformation replaces digital transformation. D. They should never be connected. Correct answer: B. AI is component of broader digital strategy. Explanation. AI and digital transformation. AI doesn't exist in isolation. Part of overall digital strategy, enabled by digital infrastructure, requires cloud, data, and connectivity. Leaders must align both efforts. Separate initiatives waste resources. Integration multiplies impact. Tested in AB-731 strategy questions. Question 26. How should a leader handle a failed AI initiative? A. Hide the failure and move on. B. Blame the team and fire people. C. Treat as learning opportunity. Analyze what failed. Share lessons. Adjust strategy. D. Never attempt similar projects again. Correct answer: C. Learn, Analyze, share, adjust, explanation, handling AI failures. Failure is part of innovation. Analyze root causes objectively. Share lessons across organization. Adjust approach based on learnings. Don't punish experimentation. Build psychological safety. Culture that learns from failure. Accelerates. Tested in AB-731 change and culture questions. Question 27. What skills should an AI transformation leader develop? A. Only deep technical AI knowledge. B. Technical literacy plus business strategy plus change management plus communication. C. Business knowledge only. D. Finance knowledge only. Correct answer, B. Technical literacy plus strategy plus change plus communication. Explanation. AI transformation leader skills. Technical literacy, understand what's possible. Business strategy, connect to outcomes. Change management, lead people. Communication, inspire and inform. Emotional intelligence, understand people. Decision-making under uncertainty. Combination of skills drives success. AB-731 tests this directly. Question 28. How should organizations approach building internal AI talent? A. Hire all talent externally. B. Wait for perfect candidates before starting. C. Invest in upskilling existing employees plus targeted external hiring. D. Rely entirely on consultants. Correct answer, C. Upskill existing employees plus hire for gaps. Explanation. Building AI talent, upskilling shows investment in people, improves morale and retention. External hires bring fresh perspective. Combination of approaches works best. Creates internal champions, builds organizational capability, reduces dependency on consultants. Cost-effective long-term leadership must champion talent. Development. Question 29. What is the most effective way to communicate AI transformation vision to the organization? A. One announcement from the CEO. B. Repeated consistent messages through multiple channels to multiple audiences. C. Assume people understand without explanation. D. Only communicate to leadership team. Correct answer, B. Repeated messages through multiple channels and audiences. Explanation. Communicating transformation vision. One message isn't enough. Different audiences need different explanations. Business benefits for business teams. Technical feasibility for technical teams. Career opportunities for employees. Repeat message consistently. Show progress regularly. Stories and example resonate. Tested in AB-731 change communication. Question 30. How should leaders measure employee readiness for AI transformation? A. Don't measure, just implement. B. Assess skills gaps, anxiety levels, willingness to learn, and support needs. C. Only technical employees need to be ready. D. Readiness cannot be measured. Correct answer, B. Assess skills gaps, anxiety, willingness, support needs. Explanation. Measuring employee readiness. Skills assessments identify gaps. Surveys measure anxiety and concerns. Readiness determines support needs. Different groups need different support. Address concerns before resistance builds. Readiness assessment informs training plans. Enables targeted interventions. Leaders use this to speed adoption. Question 31. What is a critical success factor for getting executive sponsorship for AI transformation? A. Ask for approval after transformation is complete. B. Build business case with clear ROI. Align with strategy. Secure commitment early. C. Assume executives automatically support AI. D. Only inform executives of success. Correct answer, B. Build case. Align with strategy. Secure commitment early. Explanation. Getting executive sponsorship. Executives need business case. ROI must be clear. Must align with strategy. Priorities. Early commitment prevents later problems. Executives remove roadblocks. Their credibility enables adoption. Active sponsorship accelerates transformation. Leadership lesson in AB-731. Question 32. How should organizations handle ethical dilemmas in AI transformation? A. Ignore ethical questions. B. Define ethical principles. Involve stakeholders. Make transparent decisions. Monitor impact. C. Let AI engineers decide alone. D. Only address ethics after deployment. Correct answer B. Define principles. Involve stakeholders. Decide transparently. Explanation. Handling ethical dilemmas. Define organizational values first. Involve diverse perspectives. Makes decisions transparently. Document reasoning. Monitor impact continuously. Be willing to adjust. Builds trust with customers and employees. Protects organization reputation. Tested in AB-731 governance. Section. Question 33. What is the role of competitive intelligence in AI transformation strategy? A. Not relevant to transformation. B. Understand competitor AI capabilities to inform strategy and positioning. C. Copy exactly what competitors are doing. D. Ignore industry trends. Correct answer B. Understand competitor capabilities to inform strategy. Explanation. Competitive intelligence value. Understand AI landscape. Identify threats and opportunities. Benchmark against competitors. Inform prioritization. Accelerate learning from others. Position for competitive advantage. Strategic leaders monitor competition. Tested in AB-731 strategy questions. Question 34. How should leaders approach building an AI-ready technology infrastructure? A. Focus only on AI without considering underlying systems. B. Assess current infrastructure, prioritize improvements, invest in cloud/data/security. C. Replace everything immediately. D. Technology infrastructure doesn't matter for AI. Correct answer B. Assess current, prioritize improvements, invest strategically. Explanation. AI-ready infrastructure. Assess current state. Honestly. Identify critical gaps. Prioritize based on AI needs. Cloud, data platforms, security are foundational infrastructure. Enables or blocks transformation. Requires significant investment. Phased approach manages risk and cost. Leaders must understand infrastructure requirements. Question 35. What is the most important factor in sustaining AI transformation over time? A. Initial energy and enthusiasm. B. Continuous learning, adaptation, celebrating wins, and evolving strategy. C. Avoiding major changes after launch. D. Assuming transformation is complete. Correct answer B. Continuous learning, adaptation, celebrate, evolve. Explanation. Sustaining transformation. Initial effort isn't enough. Maintain momentum through quick wins. Keep learning and adapting. Regular communication prevents loss of focus. Celebrate progress publicly. Evolve strategy as needs change. Build transformation into culture. Long-term leadership commitment required. Tested in AB-731 sustainability questions. Question 36. How should organizations approach building trust with customers around AI? A. Hide that AI is being used. B. Use AI without customer consent. C. Be transparent about AI use. Explain benefits. Provide control and recourse. D. Avoid using AI to protect customer relationships. Correct answer C. Be transparent. Explain. Provide control and recourse. Explanation. Building customer trust in AI. Transparency builds confidence. Explain why AI is used. Show clear benefits to customer. Provide ability to override or opt out. Quick recourse. If something goes wrong. Regular communication about improvements. Protects brand reputation. Builds long-term customer relationships. Tested in AB-731 Responsible AI section. Question 37. What is the relationship between organizational culture and AI transformation success? A. Culture doesn't matter. Only technology matters. Culture is critical. It enables or blocks transformation. C. Culture should be ignored during transformation. D. Only HR cares about culture. Correct answer B. Culture is critical. Enables or blocks transformation. E. Explanation. Culture's role in transformation. Culture either enables or prevents change. Fixed mindset blocks innovation. Growth mindset accelerates learning. Collaborative culture speeds adoption. Risk-averse culture slows transformation. Leaders shape culture. Culture change is harder than technology. Most transformation failures are culture-related. AB-731, heavily tests culture understanding. Question 38. How should leaders approach decision-making about AI adoption? A. Make decisions based on technology alone. B. Make data-informed decisions considering business, people, technology, and risk. C. Avoid decisions to prevent mistakes. D. Let external consultants make all decisions. Correct answer. B. Data-informed, considering business, people, technology, risk. Explanation. AI adoption decision-making. Business case drives selection. People readiness is critical. Technology must be appropriate. Risk must be understood and mitigated. Data informs but doesn't dictate. Leaders own final decisions. Transparent decision process builds trust. Good decision-making accelerates transformation. Question 39. What is the most important success metric for AI transformation? A. Number of AI projects. B. Technology complexity. C. Business value delivered and organizational capability built. Budget spent on AI. Correct answer. C. Business value delivered and capability built. Explanation. Transformation success metrics. Volume of projects =, not success. Complexity =, not success. Business value =, real success. Cost savings or revenue increase. Customer satisfaction improvement. Competitive advantage gained. Organizational capacity to continue. Capability for future innovation. Leaders must define and track these metrics. Question 40. What is the fundamental difference between managing AI initiatives and leading AI transformation? A. They are the same thing. B. Managing initiatives focuses on projects. Leading transformation focuses on organizational change and culture. C. Transformation requires only technology. D. Leadership isn't important for transformation. Correct answer. B. Managing versus leading. Initiatives versus transformation. Explanation. Management versus leadership in AI. Managing AI initiatives. Execute projects on time and budget. Deliver solutions. Technical excellence. Short-term focus. Leading AI transformation. Change organizational culture. Build new capabilities. Align strategy and vision. Inspire people. Long-term sustainable change. Create competitive advantage. AB-731 tests. Transformation. Leadership, not project management. You need both, but transformation leadership is the focus. That's 20 more Microsoft AI Transformation Leader exam questions. 21 to 40. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Watch part 1 if you missed it. Link in description. The complete Microsoft AI Transformation Leader exam practice question PDF is available from Study4Exam. Link in description. Includes all 40 questions from this video series. Fill explanations for every answer. Realistic timed mock tests. Fill complete coverage. Strategy, change culture, governance, business impact. AB-731 is testing your transformation leadership skills. Make sure you understand the business side, not just technology. If this Part 2 video helped you prepare for Microsoft AI Transformation Leader exam, like this video. Comment your score and which topic is still unclear. Subscribe. I cover Microsoft certifications for leaders and technologists. Watch Part 1 again to refresh foundational concepts. Then get the full practice tests from Study4Exam to keep preparing. Microsoft AI Transformation Leader exam tests your ability to lead transformation. That requires understanding business, people, and strategy as much as AI technology. Good luck on your Microsoft Certified AI Transformation Leader exam. See you in the next one.